Hi, we're learning about the personal set today.
Okay.
So the personal set comprises of what?
The 3 quarts, the culinary basket, and the 1 quart with a 9-inch.
9 skillet. Okay, so Peter Man is where you go. So here you go. This is the 3 quarts. This is the 3 quarts, shiny, beautiful 3 quarts. Look at it. This is the 3 quarts with the cover. Yes, and you can actually add the culinary basket. The culinary basket is what you use to starch your yam, starch your cheese, and many other beautiful things you need to use it for. You know, some people tend to get confused when it comes to using the Saladmaster set. So here is a personal set. The 3 quarts and the basket, then the 1 quart. This is the 1 quart, the smallest set we have in the Saladmaster cooking equipment. This is the 1 quart. You can use it for your oatmeal and other beautiful things. Remember, you can remove the handles and then you can put them back. Remember? I mean, that's what it is. It's beautiful. And here is the 9-inch skillet. This is the 9-inch skillet. The 9-inch skillet. Or the warranty is in there. I'm just going to take away the lifetime warranty and keep it that side. This is the 9-inch skillet, right? The 9-inch skillet. Take a look at it. So these 3 makes up the personal set. This is for maybe a family of 2.
Yeah.
Yes. Or any people who just want to own the personal set. Congratulations to the personal set.